the first mindset is actually adapting what we call the mentor mindset. So there is another mindset which we call the coder mindset, which forces you to code yourself and build solutions yourself, and find solutions yourself. Instead of doing that, when you become a manager, you need to focus your energy on mentoring your team. That's called the mentor mindset. You need to trust the team. You need to trust the team that they can come up with solutions, and you need to delegate the work to the team, and you need to teach the team. You can get involved with reviews and giving your expert advices, but let the team come up with solutions rather than you try to impose solutions on them. The next mindset change you need to adapt is the business mindset. Instead of thinking yourself as the technological leader or technology leader, you need to think of yourself as a business leader. This helps you to prioritize your solutions and also align your solutions with the business goals, because without business you just can't run an organization. Think like a business person. Be interested in knowing the business, right? Try to understand the competitions, try to convey the business impact of solutions to your team, and act like a business person, and try to delegate most of the work so that the team can save time for you to focus on business related decisions. The next mindset you need to have is what we call the solutions mindset. So solutions mindset forces you to think through solutions instead of getting stuck at problems, right? So as an engineer, probably you would have worked closely with your leads and your engineering managers to find solutions. But when you become the engineering manager, you need to make sure you have solutions, not the problems, right? Escalation should be the last resort you adapt. Instead, always try to come up with solutions. There will be barriers, right? So you need to figure out with your network and with people that you work with how to solve these problems, right? Next is what we call the operational mindset. Operational mindset is required because the solutions you build need to last long, right? So it's not just building a solution and giving it away to another operational team to operate on. Instead, you need to think through operational aspects of your solutions. It could be a product you build, or it could be a process you introduce, or some new initiatives, right? So it needs to scale and it needs to last for long. For that, you need to think through the supporting structure, any documentations you need, and how you going to ensure the entire life cycle of your initiative is undertaken and taken into consideration. Then also networking mindset, which is also important for an engineering manager. Ability to network with people and other teams, and understanding their capabilities, and making a network of people who can help you in your day-to-day activities. So that's something all the engineers need to build up, as well as this is more important for engineering manager. I think if you can work on these mindset changes, you will be able to become an effective engineering manager.